By its very nature, it's exhausting. Somehow equally overstimulating and underwhelming as you allow the day to flow around you. Any given hour in New York is full of either the most riveting photogenic nonsense you can imagine, or the most comedically bland mundanity. Your experience and what you capture, determined purely by how you decide to digest whatever the city has served you. The only way to control the chaos is to accept its inevitability, and that at best, you can only make sure you're ready for whatever the city slings your way. My name is Daniel Schaefer. I'm a photographer, a writer, and just another person doing my best to tell the New York story.